then let's place this back in position. No, not there. There's good. And nope, not there. A bit there, please. Thank you. Just made a new word? Oh wow, what does it mean? Okay, move this one here. Is that in place? That is in place. Okay, now subdivide. Segments subdivide and subdivide again. Also make this poly for now. Line type poly. Polly want a cracker? You mean there's a word now in the English language that just involves pressing every letter of the alphabet? And the word means every letter of the English language. And maybe a few more in like other languages. Hey, how did you get over there? You're meant to be here. Alright, move this one. Nya. And this one. Nya. And this one can go... If it works with me, this one can go nya. It's called the alphabet. The alphabet is a word? I am learning so much new. Come on, just... You're not gonna work with me, Blender? Alright then. You're forcing my hand now, Pro Software. It's quite... Let me tell you something about my relationship with rigging. It melts my brain. Rigging melts my brain. Okay, now that that's set up, let's switch that to a Bezier curve. Bezier, bizarre, whatever. That's pretty much already placed on a vertice, but just, or a bone vertice, but just to make sure, place it. We'll make sure it's in place. This one as well. How many bones does that encompass? That encompasses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bones. So this one that encompasses many more needs to be reduced. Needs to encompass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about there. Plunk it there. Okay, good. And you are going to be shrunk to about 1 bone. Because you do not need to be that long. And you are being a little annoying. Come on. Damn stop points. There we go. Okay, so that's about right, that's about right. What about these bones up here? For starters, this one, you can pretty much just be like non-existent. You can pretty much just be like non-existent. So can you. Or you can stay like that, however you want. But you, again. I can't believe I'm talking to pixels. Blender with Aaron, hello! Nice to see more people in chat. God, it's getting busy today. How did I get so many people in such like this? I can't speak today. There's so much wrong with me. Okay, place this right here. Is that in the right spot? Yeah, it's in a good spot. I think 3 bones would probably be suitable for this one. Actually, no, 3. Absolutely, 3 bones. About there. No. About there. There we go. Okay, so now if I move this, it'll bend, and I can also like grow it like that and move it like here, so it's a bit more even. That's sounding skill. What did I say? I forgot what I said. I'm a mess right now. Okay, so did I skin this? I think I did not. No, I didn't. Okay, select that. Then select the bone. Control P with automatic weights. Give it some time. Alright, then I'll select the bones. Go into pose mode. Now I believe it was 125, so let's go into select the one at the top of the chain, then select, where is it? IK spline. 128, I think, was the number. And also I forgot to change the name of the curve. Where's the NURBS? There's the NURBS.